Just another pair of black shoes, Vietnam shoes, maybe a size 10, maybe the ones you wore the nights you shared with Louis, smoking cigarettes in the dark while the bombs exploded those hot, lonely nights, remembering old girlfriends the night you stole Dad's car. Just another pair of black shoes, Vietnam shoes, maybe a size 10, maybe the ones you wore when you washed your clothes or walked to Louis's bunker to share the tortillas and chile Mom had just sent, those dark, lonely nights, remembering the old Colonia, Uncle Arthur's junk cars. Just another pair of black shoes, Vietnam shoes, Feeney shoes, stained with blood, the stench of war, Mom's piercing cries, Louis's broken heart, and my wounded soul as I stare day after day at those old black shoes, sitting in my closet, waiting, hoping for your return.